Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find a token contract address over on Snowtrace. So Snowtrace.io is of course basically the sole scan or the ether scan of FX. So if you want to find any information about the token, you want to find the holders, any transfers and all those kind of things, that is being tracked on Snowtrace. So in order to find a contract using Snowtrace basically over on FX, what you simply need to do is head over to Snowtrace.io and then just head over to this main page right here and go into the search bar and just type in any token you want to find the contract of. So for example, the biggest FX meme coin right now is COQ. So I'm just going to type that in and I'm going to click on the first one just like this. Now once you're right here, all you're going to do simply is going to find right here for contract. So this is basically the contract. It's extremely easy. It's also displayed right here. And if you use this one, you will be able to basically copy the address to your clipboard using this little icon. So just basically copy that. And once you've done that, you can literally go to any website you want that tracks charts. Or you can also go to any basically swap and just go and head over to type that contract in. You just paste copy it basically, and when you paste that in, you will basically notice that you will automatically be brought to that exact token. And yeah, that's basically how you can find a contract address of any token over on Snowtrace. So yeah, if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.